Okay, so today we worked on measuring angles, and we talked about how a quarter turn, which goes from here to here, is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, creates a right angle in here, and right angles equal 90 degrees. So this would be shown on a circle with a 90-degree mark out here. Okay, and then if we went around yet another quarter turn, that would equal 180 degrees, because we have 90 degrees for this quarter turn, and then 90 degrees for another quarter turn. So that's going to equal 180 degrees altogether. Then if we went around another 90 degrees, okay, we have yet another 90 degrees, that equals 270 degrees for the 3/4 turn. And then if we come back around for a full turn, so we started here and we went all the way around for a full turn, that's going to equal 360 degrees. Which is true, it ends in the exact same spot where we started, so it looks like it's in the same spot as 0 degrees, but the difference is we went all the way around one time. Okay, so you can see how 90 degrees is a quarter turn, 180 degrees is a half turn, 270 degrees is a 3/4 turn, and a full turn equals 360 degrees. So those are the pieces we worked on today. We also talked about how if we split a 90-degree angle in two, we have 45 degrees. Okay, 45 degrees plus 45 degrees will equal 90. And we can keep splitting the 90-degree angle in two and adding the 45 to this previous number. So we would get 135 degrees, 180, which we know, plus 45, it's 225 degrees. Okay, and then we end up with 270 plus 45 is 315, and then another 45 will bring us back to 360. So we have to think of these degrees as very small pieces of this circle, with there being 360 of them in one circle. We also talked about how the degrees in the circle are different than temperature degrees. So it's not how hot or cold it is in this case, it's how wide something is, how open it is. So we wouldn't say, for example, how hot is the circle? Alright, what's the temperature of the circle? We wouldn't say that. We would say how wide is the angle, how big is the angle, how small is the angle of the circle. Okay, just so you know the language to use to go with that. So this is, we're talking today about measuring angles.